Good morning, students. My name is Mital Javia. From today onwards, I am going to take your science. Okay. So, as you were there in the chapter number 12, on the page number 119. So, let's start from that page. And in that page, we are on the activity 12.3, an electric circuit. In activity 2, you connected one terminal of the electric cell to the other terminal through wire passing to and from the electric bulb. See, like this, what you have done in this form, you have done something. Okay, a cell and a bulb, and from one terminal to the bulb and from the another terminal connected to the bulb. Clear? Note that in the arrangement shown in the figure 12.5a and f, as I have shown you that figure A and this one is the F. Okay, the two terminals of the electric cell were connected to the two terminals of the bulb. See what they are telling, that the two terminals of the electric cell were connected to the another two terminals of the bulb, as we have shown over here, as it is shown over here. Such an arrangement is an example of the electric circuit. So this is an example of the electric circuit. The electricity provides a complete path for electricity to pass between the two terminals of the electric cell. See what they are telling, that the electric circuit, it provides a complete path to electricity to passes through the two terminals. Okay, so with the help of the electric circuit, it provides the electricity to the two of the terminal of the cell. The bulb glows only when the current flows through the circuit. What they are telling, that when the bulb glows, when the current flows through the circuit. If the current will not flow through the circuit, then the bulb will not glow. In an electric circuit, the direction of the current is taken to be from the positive to the negative. What they are telling, that in an electric circuit, the direction of the current is from the positive to negative of the electric cell, as shown in the figure 12.6. See, in this one, the direction is flowing from the negative to the positive. When the terminal of the bulbs are connected with that of the electric cell by wire, the current passes through the filament of the bulb. See what they are telling, that with the help of the wire, they are passing the currents, the electric cell by the wire. With the help of the wire, they are passing the electric cell. The current passes through the filament of the bulb. Now students, what do you mean by filament? The filament means the innermost portion of the bulb. That is a very small, and अगर हम bulb को आँख के नज़दीक ला के देखें ना, when we'll keep a bulb near to our eye, now you will see a small lines of black colored moving. When you will move the bulb na, then that line will be moving. Okay, it will be like just like a shivering, वो हिल रहा है अंदर कुछ. That is the filament, the innermost part of the bulb. This make the bulb glow. See, if that line is broken, then the bulb will not glow. But if it's proper, then the bulb will glow. Sometimes an electric bulb does not glow even if it is connected to the cell. What they are telling, that अगर cell के साथ connected है, then also the bulb will not glow. Why it will not glow? Because the bulb is fused. This may happen if the bulb has fused. Look at the fused bulb carefully. Is the filament inside is intact? See what they are telling, that is the filament inside the bulb is cracked or damaged or whatever. मतलब बल्ब ग्लो नहीं कर रहा है, तो क्यों ग्लो नहीं कर रहा है, तो वी हैव टू चेक इनसाइड द बल्ब. अगर कोई बंद बल्ब हो तो आप देखो दैट टू ब्लैक अटैच्ड लाइन्स ना, जो एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ा होता है ना, आप एक बार बल्ब लेके देखना, उसके अंदर आपको दिखाई देगा टू लाइन्स वेर अटैच्ड. वो हिलता है. अगर वो एक भी टूट गया ना, दैट मीन्स द बल्ब इज फ्यूज्ड. An electric bulb may fuse due to the many reasons. See, there are the many reasons for the electric bulb to get fused. One reason for the bulb to fuse is a break in its filament. See what they are telling, that as I told you that अगर वो दो छोटी जो black attachment होती है, अंदर जो लाइनें होती है, अगर वो टूट गई, then bulb may be fused. A break in the filament of an electric bulb means a break in the path of the current between the terminal of the electric cell. See what they are telling, that when that filament is proper, the bulb will glow. If the filament is not proper, that means the bulb will not glow. So if the filament is not proper, that means the current will not passes properly, so the bulb will not glow. Therefore a fused bulb does not light up as not current passes through its filament. So as I told before that if the bulb is fused, as the filament is not proper, then the bulb will not glow, it will not light. So now, can you now explain why the bulb did not glow when you tried to do so with the arrangement shown in the figure 12.5 picture? That's a number of the picture B, C, D and E. Let's check. See B, here it's a cracked wire. C, see here again it's it. D, where is the D? Yeah, again see here the attachment is not proper, and again here. See, if this type of attachment is done, so the filament will not passes through the electric cell will not passes through the filament, and the current will not passes, and the bulb will not glow. So students, just go through this one, whatever the things we have done today, just go through it, revise it. Okay, it's a simple, you will come to know, it's very easy. Or if we'll get the time, we will do this experiment in the next video. Okay, so that's all for the today. Have a good day students. Bye.